still sailing along at like 4.5 plus knots. Our wind has not let up all night. It's been really nice. Ooh, flying fish. We've actually been going too fast, so we're gonna arrive in Cabo at like 1 or 2 in the morning right now, which isn't great. So we need to slow down or speed up a ton, but I don't think that's possible. So we gotta slow down a bit today. We'll see. I mean, I'm anticipating the wind's gonna die down in the morning, but we anticipated the wind was gonna die down at midnight, so we'll see what actually happens. Our birdie is still here. Kept trying to fly it last night, but it was so dark and he just didn't know where he was, so he only go to the corners and like flop his wings, so I'm a little confused still. Just wait till he comes out. So our wind, what time is it? 9:30. Our wind has continued to increase. I've furled in the Genoa to that little bit that you can see there. Can you see it? Just a little triangle. And we're still going like 4.5 knots easy. Our wind's like 17, 18 knots apparent wind, which is not what they're forecasting. Lyndon's just downloading weather again. Did it blow up here? Oh, woo!
Yeah, this is sort of showing.
It's supposed to be like 5 knots and
Low wind. And it builds. Just so I can sneak in there.
oh man.
It's still much stronger right now than it says it's supposed to be.
Is it supposed to keep increasing? Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, so one of the 3 shows like stronger winds. But I don't know. All of them show lighter winds than we're experiencing right now.
So is it a smart idea to be slowing down if that's coming behind us? I feel like it's already that strong of wind behind us.
Well,
Like
I
we've
don't
easily
know
got
what else to do. We're going to arrive at Cabo midnight. So
Our buddy's still here. Just want to make sure he's doing okay. Did you try to get him the water? Why don't you put him like on the water at least? Give him a little bit of hydration. Oh, hi. Are you doing okay?
some water, bud.
His foot looks a little weird. Oh, maybe it's
It's got
just,
some weird looking feet.
you know, everyone's a little different. I'm scared. You're okay. Have some water. So our wind has calmed down significantly, which is nice, but we're going now quite slow, so I don't know, probably have to just raise the main and try to get a little more speed now. We're definitely gun shy to open that spinnaker up again because we don't want to have to take it down. We don't want to be scared for our lives again. Gotta move him because he's a little bit in the way.
Here you go, bud. Your water. There you go.
Get these sails up.
Yeah, let's put this whisker pull up so we're going a little faster. See how our bud's doing.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he's all the way down.
Yeah, he's cooking. Another sailboat hailed us this morning. He's one we passed when we were leaving Santa Maria. So he's single-handed. He left like 4 hours behind us, he said, and he's passed us now, so he's going very fast.
We slowed down.
We did slow down. We slowed down because we want to get there at like sunrise or dawn, and now the winds died. So, but it's just so hard to anticipate what it's gonna do. So,
Well, let's put the
try to
whisker
get-
pull up so we can get it out.
okay. That was 30 knots on there. That's the most I've ever seen. We just came inside. We're in, we just grounded the, I don't know what it is, the Cape of Baja. Anyways, it's blowing like 35 plus, or no, 30 plus knot winds. We've got up to 20, I saw 28, I think it was 28 knots apparent wind, and we're going at least 5 knots. So it's a big wind out here. Seas are huge. We've been trying to slow down all day, and it's this, at this rate, we'll be arriving still before sunrise. Which is just crazy. So anyway, Lyndon's just hand steering because these seas are really all over the place, and like the autopilot, it's been working well, but I think it would struggle with this. So.
For the record. Get this one thing clear.
You all right?
Yeah. A little cold and wet.
That escalated very quickly.
For the record.
We've basically been sleeping. I'm so exhausted. Lyndon is so exhausted. But anyway,
Dinner.
dinner bell. Tell us about what happened yesterday or this morning.
Well, the worst forecast I had was 18 knots at midnight, and then it would diminish to about 10. But the forecasts have been really off lately, or by at least 10 knots. It was supposed to calm down quite a bit in the afternoon into like 8 knots, but we never really saw anything below like 12 or 15. The seas were really rough. And then in the evening, it was supposed to start building, and it did. We were supposed to see a maximum of about 18 at midnight, and at midnight we were seeing like 20, 25 knots of wind.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
And the seas
Not
are
quite
building,
25.
building. We had the whisker pole out because that helps it not slap. We decided to take the whisker pole down because the wind was increasing and we didn't want to have to deal with it. And like as soon as we did that, the wind just started to build and build and build. It was indicating over 40 knots. I have doubts about our wind indicator. I'm sure it was probably more.
Oh, wow,
That is sick.
we didn't look that good last night, or this morning, I guess.
It's basically what we looked like.
Basically.
Anyways, it was building well over 40 knots. Seas were like 15 feet. And I was thinking that we might have to go right past Cabo and just go to like Puerto Vallarta and just sort of ride it out. But the little sliver of sail we had out, we took down and motored up, because with the little bit of sail out, anytime we tried to turn up wind, the wind speed would just increase and the boat would deal way over. So we turned on the engine, took the sail down, and we were able to turn up a little bit, and then sort of as we rounded the cape, slowly we could turn up more and more and more, but we were still crashing into like 15-foot seas. Water, like
It was like it was terrifying.
water hit the boat and just like soared through the air. I was hand steering from like 2 a.m. on, and just like soaked me. Like, I mean, we've been hit by water before, and you get splashed,
right.
but this was like, and then it was just like,
He's like, oh, there's something in the.
no, I was like, hang on, or.
Like, oh my goodness.
But yeah, it came like over the Dodger, not like over the Dodger, but like hit the boat, cleared the Dodger, and then soaked me. And I was wearing like a hoodie and sweatpants.
Another layers. It like spun our wind generator off. It spun our solar panels off. It was big. It was horrible.
Thank goodness that's over.
Yeah. Well, yeah, that was the worst weather we've ever been in.
Oh yeah.
By far. Biggest wind we've ever seen. That was insane. So we're here now. It's really hot. We gotta put the the bridle on the anchor because we're spinning around here, but it's so busy. I'm excited to like get a good sleep and then wake up tomorrow and go to shore because I just feel so zombie-ish right now. But let's go for a swim.
I'm putting the bridle on, okay?
Yeah.
Make up your mind. Do you want to go for a swim, or do you want to put the bridle on? Because I came out here for a swim.
You got a
wanted to
little.
put the
You're
bridle
too
on.
grumpy.
I'm not grumpy. What is it? Agitated? Irritated? Irritable. That's it. I'm a little irritable right now.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss, and so I did.